Probably something that someone has done for you or that you have done for someone. Deepika, we request you also to close your eyes.
Can I think with my eyes open?
You think with all the photographers?
100%.
Okay, sure.
I love them.
Go ahead.
Okay, thought.
Perfect. Okay. Now I can see them smiling, and I know that those moments have created a lot of warmth in their life. And this is exactly what we are here for. Well, as you all know, Parachute Advanced Tender Coconut Hair Oil has also got a revolutionary discovery, which is now 3 times more multivitamins it's got than any ordinary almond oil, and it's also got lush goodness of green coconut oil that makes your hair very, very tender. So today we've taken it a step further, and we are all gathered here to celebrate and cherish those tender love and care moments in all our lives. And today we have with us Deepika and Ranbir, who are going to talk about the TLC moments or the tender love care moments in the movie Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, or during the shooting of this movie as well. Now before we can go ahead and have a chat with them, let's quickly have a look at the TVC of the Parachute Advanced Tender Coconut Hair Oil in association.
That, can I just request all the photographers to make way for everyone who's seated behind, and we'll definitely give you all the pictures you want before we leave. I promise you that.
Tell us something more about the movie, please.
Ye Jawani Hai Diwani is a film about relationships. But when I say relationships, it's not only about boyfriend-girlfriend relationships. It's also about friends, family. It's also the story of the journey of these 4 different characters. How we all influence each other. When we sort of meet, we become friends, and how we influence each other's lives. And, you know, also the importance of having special people around you in your life. You know, you can have the most amazing life, but if you don't have those special people to share it with, you know, then life itself is pointless. So I think, so there's various things to the film, but also like Ranbir always says, it's an entertaining film. It's a film that we've made to entertain the audience. So it's a little bit of everything. And then you throw in a song like Balam Pichkari and Badtameez Dil.
Wow, brilliant. Well, you were talking about the special people, and I'm sure special people create special moments of tender love and care. So tell me, Ranbir, any special moments in your life with the special people in your life?
I guess I can speak about a recent one. Which my mother did for me. Since the time I've come to this industry, people call me a mama's boy. But my mother really loves me, and she does all these things. I still live with my parents, fortunately, unfortunately. I love it. So we are about to move away from our house because we were rebuilding it. So my mother one day came to me and said, why don't you go ahead? Why don't you live alone for 2 years? Live a little bit of an independent life, see life yourself. And we'll join you after 2 years. You know, if you miss us too much or something, you'll always have a room in our house. You can come anytime. So I think a mother to say that to a son, I think it's really hard to let go. And I think that's what TLC really means. You know, it's about doing something for somebody. Talking what you've done to somebody, I don't think that's fair. But I think my mother always shows me lots of TLC.
Ah, that makes our heart go, oh, so sweet. Deepika, what about you? It's been a very hectic shooting schedule. How many days were you really shooting for?
How many days were we
shooting for?
Over 100 days.
No? Over
I think we shot for about 120 days for Ye Jawani Hai Deewani, which is a lot for a love story. And I think Ayan is really a taskmaster, and I think we all felt like we were shooting an adventure film more than a simple love story.
Oh, wow. So I'm sure during these, stressful times, the very strenuous, hectic schedule, there must be so many moments of tender love and care there as well, weren't there?
Honestly, I think amongst the four of us, and when I say four, I mean Aditya, Ranveer, Kalki and myself, I think I'm going to give myself a little credit and say that I was the one who sort of would feed them. So I carried these biscuits. So on the first day of the beginning of the schedule, we had to drive from Chandigarh to Manali, and it was quite a long drive. It was raining. It was a tough drive. And I'd carried like these healthy diet biscuits with me, and I had just a few. And we were starving, we were really hungry. And so I said, let me like be nice and offer it to everyone. So they all took a biscuit, and I told them it's really precious. So they all ate it, took a bite, and they all threw it back in my face, saying that it tasted like cardboard. And then after that, Ranbir decided to take us to this place called Kikkad Lodge, which was supposedly like serve the most amazing food. And he said it was like a 20-minute detour, which actually took us 3.5 hours in the opposite direction. So anyway, the point is that we reached Manali very, very late. And we had to wake up very early the next morning to get to shoot. And Kikkad Lodge was definitely not worth it, Ranbir Kapoor.
But I'm sure since you were
It was good fun. It was good fun. I think it gave us that extra time to sort of bond and get to know each other. And they also learned that they should never take biscuits from me.
Oh, okay, Ranveer, we see that you've done an awesome job in that song, Via Agra, with Madhuri Dixit. Check. Yeah, no worries. And you obviously have been in love with her and have, adored her from a very young age. So how was it working with her then?
Well, it was lovely, and I think I've spoken enough about this. It's always wonderful to work with such talents like Madhuri ji, and she was so gracious, and she added so much of dignity to a movie, and I'm really grateful that I got this opportunity.
Okay. About the other songs, Balam Pichkari is an amazing song, and you seem to be completely, full colored, playing Holi there. So how did you really protect your hair then?
I think a thing that we all do before Holi is to drench ourselves and our hair in a lot of oil. And I think that's what I did. Thanks to Parachute, I drenched myself in tender coconut oil from head to toe. And that sort of saved me from the 3 days of color that we were throwing on each other. And these guys were ruthless. They didn't care whether you were getting ready for a shot. They didn't care whether you were tired. They didn't care. They just took an entire tub and dumped it on your head. But yeah, it was great fun. Whatever I haven't done in all these years of growing up and not playing enough Holi in Bangalore while growing up, I think I made up for it in these 3 days.
Brilliant. Okay, Deepika Ranbir, we'd run a little contest on Facebook by Parachute Advanced Tender Coconut Hair Oil, and we had asked our fans to share their tender love and care moments. And today we have with us 2 winners, and we would like to invite them on stage, and they are Rachana and Prerna. So we have with us Rachana, and they shared with us their story. Rachana says, my tender love and care moment lie in the lap of my Nanaji. My memories take me back when I was in the 6th standard and appearing for my final exam. It was the month of March, and my mom had got a chronic asthmatic attack and had to be hospitalized. I was too young to take care of myself and was crying for not having my mom by my side during my exam. I still remember it was my science paper, and I just could not control my tears, thus was not able to concentrate on my exam. My Nanaji, in spite of his old age and not so good health, stayed up throughout the night and helped me study. When my results were out, I was flooded with tears of happiness to see that in science I'd scored the highest. I'm grateful to my Nanaji for being there for me when I needed him the most. That's really sweet, Rachana. What do you have to say to that, Deepika?
I think that's very sweet. Times like this can be very, very tough. And sometimes, I think the most amazing thing is that sometimes the most unexpected people, I'm not saying in her case, but I think sometimes the most unexpected people come into your life at the strangest of times and sort of leave an impression. And I think that's amazing.
Wow. Deepika, we request you to kindly crown her as the TLC queen. Wow. Thank you, Rachna. Thank you, Rachna. Congratulations. Okay, we also have with us Prerna. And she says that I failed in one subject in my first year graduation and I was crying a lot when suddenly my brother came and gave me a tight hug. He told me that it was perfectly okay to fail once in your life. He told me to face it bravely. My brother is someone who will never show his sensitive, caring and loving side to anyone, but at that moment I saw the sensitive side to his. The small, tender love and care he has for me and the little time we spend together brings a smile on my face and will always remain very close to my heart. That's Prerna. Deepika? Should I help you with that? That's for you. Congratulations. Okay. The floor is now open for question and answers.
हेलो हेलो रणवीर जी आरके स्टूडियो की होली बहुत फेमस है हमेशा लोगों को याद रहती है उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए
मैं बहुत छोटा था जब मेरे दादाजी जिंदा थे लेकिन मुझे डर लगता था क्योंकि वहाँ एक बड़ा सा पॉन्ड होता था वो सबको उसमें फेंकते थे बट मतलब थोड़े बहुत मेमोरीज है सब चाहिए थे सितारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के डायरेक्टर्स म्यूजिशियंस गायक सब लोग आते थे एंड दे ऑल यूज्ड टू सेलिब्रेट टुगेदर आजकल हम इतना देखते नहीं हैं आजकल हम सब अपनी ज़िंदगी को लेकर इतनी सेल्फिशली बिजी हो गए हैं आई डोंट थिंक द होल इंडस्ट्री कम्स टुगेदर लाइक इट यूज्ड टू एट दैट टाइम फिर मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन के घर पे भी होली होती थी वहाँ भी सब लोग जाते थे सो आई होप के मे बी आफ्टर फ्यू ईयर्स आई कैन स्टार्ट अ ट्रेडिशन ऐसा कुछ जहाँ मैं पूरी इंडस्ट्री को बुलाऊँ और इंडस्ट्री आए एक साथ होली मनाने सो आई होप टू डू दैट ऑल्सो
Hi, good afternoon. My first question is to Ranbir. I read that you said Deepika is one of the actresses who's intimidated you the most. Why did you say that? And also, Deepika, do you feel the same way about Ranbir?
Well, I said that because I know Deepika so well, and I had worked with her 5 years back in our second film together, Bajna Hai Sino. And having worked with her in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, she really surprised me with the kind of performance she was bringing in, with the kind of intelligence, her talent that she was bringing in. And while acting with her, sometimes you act with a person and you know how that person is going to react or you know how that person is going to say a certain dialogue. But she was constantly, surprising, working in moment to moment. And I said it purely because of that. She really intimidated me with her talent. अच्छा डांस नहीं डांस भी वही स्पीड में था ऐसे नहीं कि हमने बाद में बढ़ा दिया है या इट वाज अ लिटिल हार्ड बिकॉज आल्सो आई वाज डांसिंग आफ्टर 2 years रॉकस्टार डिडंट डांस बर्फी तो ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज डेफ एंड म्यूट so I got a good opportunity. I got a good song from Pritam Dada and Remo was a choreographer. He wanted to try this new kind of swing dance, so we just had lots of fun on it.
रणबीर उसी आर्टिकल में आपने ये भी कहा था कि दीपिका के बच्चों के आप गॉडफादर बनना चाहते हैं ऐसा क्यों?
वेल मैं यही गॉडफादर का मतलब क्या होता है कि समवन हु यू रियली आर फॉन्ड ऑफ उनके जब बच्चे होंगे यू वांट द किड्स टू काइंड ऑफ लुक अप टू यू वांट टू काइंड ऑफ मेंटोर द किड्स यू वांट टू गिव देम करेक्ट वैल्यूज पता नहीं अगर मेरे बच्चे होंगे या नहीं लेकिन इसके तो ज़रूर होंगे सो आई वुड लाइक टू बी हर चिल्ड्रंस गॉडफादर आई डोंट नो इफ शी और हस्बैंड विल अलाउ मी बट इट विल बी नाइस टू मेंटोर हर चिल्ड्रन
दीपिका आपका क्या रिएक्शन है इस पे?
He's thinking, I mean, I haven't even thought of that. So he's thinking way ahead. When it happens, we'll think about it. We shall discuss this.
दीपिका के बालों को देख के रणबीर कौन सा गाना याद आता है? क्योंकि आज बालों की खूबसूरती की बात है।
बाल बच्चे वाली हूँ
बच्चों के पीछे क्यों पड़ा है यार?
पता नहीं दीपिका फैमिली प्लानिंग हो रही है आपके यहाँ पे।
Okay, last 2 questions, please.
I also
रणवीर आज
बाल बाल देखो, हजार बार देखो, ये देखने की चीज है हमारा दिल. दिल?
Last question.
अच्छा.
रणवीर जैसे कि आज के आर्टिकल में आया है ऋषि कपूर जी ने कहा है कि वो एक बार फिर से आवारा को बनाना चाहते हैं और एक साथ आप दोनों आने वाले हैं, तो इस बारे में क्या कहना है और एक बार फिर से आरके स्टूडियो को एक अलग तरीके से प्रेजेंट करने वाले हैं आप लोग?
मैं पापा और मम्मी के साथ रहता हूँ, लेकिन अभी तक पापा ने मुझे ही नहीं कहा है, तो मुझे भी एक्चुअली पेपर में ही मैंने पहली बार पढ़ा है. जहाँ मेरा सवाल है एज एन एक्टर, नॉट बिकॉज आई कम फ्रॉम द सेम फैमिली हुज मेड द मूवी, आई वुडंट लाइक टू रीमेक आवारा, बिकॉज आई थिंक अगर आप राज कपूर, नरगिस जी, शंकर जयकिशन, पृथ्वीराज कपूर, उन सबको वापस ले आओ इस दुनिया में, फिर शायद वो बन सकती है पिक्चर. आई डोंट थिंक हमारी कोई औकात है वो पिक्चर को टच करने की. आई थिंक द फिल्म वाज मेड टू इट्स बेस्ट ऑफ इट्स कैपेबिलिटीज एंड आई वुडंट लाइक टू टच इट.
Ranveer, hi. This question is for both of y'all. It's a little away from the event and the product.
तो फिर वापस ले आओ.
No, but we just want your reaction on this. Just recently, I mean, in the afternoon, the news broke about Bindu Dara Singh being connected to the IPL spot fixing. We want your reaction that it's getting murkier, and the cricket, the game which we used to see now, it's not the same, and even Bollywood is involved in this. So your reactions on both, are you surprised, astonished on having a personality like Bindu Dara Singh being connected with it?
I think on our part, I think it's a bit unfair. Of course, it kind of gives a bad name to the sport. But I think it's also a little unfair that just because of a few people, following this malpractice, that you kind of, everyone sort of, then you start doubting everybody else. I think that's a bit unfair on our part. Having said that, I said this earlier on today as well. I think it's very important, like as a country, when you want to shine, as compared to the rest of the world, or you want to be on the same level economically or otherwise, I think it's very, very important that the sports people in our country do really, really well. And this is not really helping that. So it's sad. And also because, I mean, I've grown up in a generation where I've seen my father, and the Anil Kumbles and the Rahul Dravids, and sport at that time was so pure and so clean. So to see it go down this route is very, very disappointing.
Ranveer,
okay, one last question.
We'll keep that. If you want to add on to that, Ranveer, especially when even Bollywood is getting connected to the whole match fixing thing.
Well, it's only shameful. IPL has become such a great entertaining platform for the country, actually for the world right now. And when things like this crop up and certain people play dirty, it kind of taints the whole platform. So it's shameful, it's unfortunate, it's something which angers, I'm sure, a lot of fans. And there is no justification to it. There is no reasoning that you can give, or there is no alibi that you can attach to it. It's just shameful, and I hope that the people who are concerned in doing mischief, they are dutifully punished, and the other people who are purely playing the sport, with a honest incentive, they continue playing the sport. And I don't think it's fair to the other people who are playing the sport, with the right intention.
Okay, we're going to take one last question, please.
Hi, Ranveer. Hi, Deepika. Hi. Please share one tender, loving, care moment for each other.
Well, so many. I've known Deepika now since 6 years. And she is a very tender, loving and caring person. She likes to do things for other people, and she likes to spoil you, pamper you. So there are loads of things, the way she is, and if you are unwell, or if something's bothering you, or if anything that you're going through in life, good or bad, she'll always be there for you. And I think just being there for somebody is tender, loving and caring, and she kind of embodies that. So Parachute, good call in signing her as a brand ambassador.
Deepika, what about you?
इसको तो कुछ नहीं होगा. She doesn't think I'm tender, loving.
No, that's not true. I remember a couple of years ago, actually when we first met, we were going for a drive, and I just generally spoke about wanting to learn how to play an instrument. And I had said that I either wanted to learn how to play the piano or learn how to play the guitar. I love music. In fact, I don't watch too much television. In my downtime, I like to listen to a lot of music. And so I just casually mentioned it in conversation, and like a week later, I went back home, and there was this massive piano that had reached my house that he had gifted me. So it's not about the piano, but it's the thought. is what I'm trying to say. So he's very sensitive and he's a very good listener. So for me, that is the tender, loving, caring side to him.
How sweet.
रणबीर एंड दीपिका
Okay.
हाय यहाँ पे सीधा
We'll take that.
एक सवाल था कि मतलब आजकल जैसे फिल्म करीब आ रही है रिलीज के, उतना ही ज्यादा आप लोग के रोज हमें आर्टिकल्स पढ़ने मिल रहा है और रोज कुछ ना कुछ आप दोनों एक दूसरे के बारे में कमेंट करे जा रहे हैं, कोट्स आ रहे हैं. तो ये क्या एक फिल्म प्रमोशन का तरीका है या क्या है? बिकॉज
सबसे पहले मैं माफ़ी मांगना चाहता हूँ. ये एक्चुअली हमारी कोशिश नहीं है. क्या है कि जब फिल्म रिलीज़ होती है, अब नाउ फिल्म्स हैव बिकम सच एक्सपेंसिव प्रोपोजिशंस दैट हम यही चाहते कि जितने लोग तक हम अपनी फिल्म पहुंचा सकें वो फिल्म के लिए अच्छा होगा. शायद वो आएंगे फिल्म देखने. एक इनसिक्योरिटी भी आप बोल सकते हो. अगर हम ये नहीं करेंगे, वो नहीं करेंगे, यहाँ नहीं जाएंगे, पैराशूट के प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस पे नहीं आएंगे, तो शायद लोग आएंगे नहीं फिल्म देखने. पता नहीं सही क्या है, गलत क्या है. इट्स हमारे पीछे एक टीम है, एक प्रोडक्शन टीम है धर्मा मूवीज़. उनके पैसे लगे हैं, बहुत लोगों के पैसे लगे, बहुत लोगों ने काम किया इस फिल्म पे. तो वी बोथ आर एक्टर्स एंड वी बोथ आई गेस द फेस ऑफ दिस फिल्म. तो हमको आगे रखा जाता है. हमारी तस्वीर आती है, हमारे बारे में कुछ छपता है, शायद लोगों को क्यूरोसिटी पैदा करने के लिए. पता नहीं लेकिन सही और गलत क्या है. मेरा भी यही मानना है कि आजकल बहुत प्रमोशन हो रहा है फिल्म का, इसको थोड़ा कम होना चाहिए. बट देन फिर इनसिक्योरिटी आ जाती है कि नहीं, अगर कम करे तो शायद देखने नहीं आएंगे लोग. बट या आई बिलीव व्हाट यू सेइंग इज राइट एंड वी आर सॉरी फॉर being so much in your face. ये हमारा लास्ट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है आज का.
Thank you,
दीपिका
friends.
आप कुछ कहेंगे इस पे?
Let him ask.
I'm sorry, but
Let him.
Okay, fine.
मैं क्या कहूँ, आई मीन आप लोग सवाल पूछते हैं और हम लोग दिल से जवाब देते हैं. अगर आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा तो आई थिंक नेक्स्ट टाइम वी शुड कम अप विद समथिंग एल्स और नॉट जस्ट रिस्पॉन्ड एट ऑल. आई डोंट नो, शुड वी से समथिंग और शुड वी नॉट से समथिंग? आई डोंट नो.
But every
फैंस ऑफ फिल्म फॉर आवर फैंस. हाँ,
I think the least that we can do is give them an entertaining film that they will enjoy. They're going to spend money and watch the film. And having said that, I think I can speak for myself, and I know about Deepika also. If there is any time we are traveling or we go for some promotional events and we meet some people who really want to meet us, click a picture with us or take an autograph, I love doing it. I'm standing here because of them. And I actually, मैं अगर कहीं जाता हूँ और कोई मेरा फोटोग्राफ और ऑटोग्राफ नहीं लेता, मेरे को बुरा लगता है कि शायद मैं कुछ बुरा कर रहा हूँ. तो ये हमारा fans is your report card. The more fans you have, it means that you're doing well at your job. So I can do anything for them. But having said that, there is a certain sense of, there's a certain sense that they have a certain persona about their favorite actor, which sometimes is broken, by certain media articles or certain things that you as an actor or as a human being do, something wrong. So it's a very sensitive, fine line, how to balance it. But I love my fans, and I hope to get more fans. I hope to, make the world an air conditioner for myself. So yeah, that's the endeavor.
I think exactly like he said. I think a large part of I think a question that we're always asked is what is that driving force and what is that thing that keeps you going? So apart from our own personal want of creative satisfaction and all of that and doing the films that you enjoy doing, a large part of it comes from the love that you get from your fans. And I don't think there's any actor here today who would not go to any extent to make them happy. I mean, we get all kinds of requests. You want fans, someone's unwell, they want you to fly down and see them. I know actors who have done that. Someone's unwell, they want to fly down to see you. So I mean, it's not how much you do, but it's more the feeling, I think, of what they feel for you and you feel for them. And I think between a fan and an actor, it's a very personal equation. I think fans love reading interviews. That's their access to what an actor's doing, what they're feeling, what they're going through. If you write an article saying that I've injured myself, you have to see the stuff that people say, like the letters that they send. So they take everything very, very personally. So I believe that a fan-actor relationship is a very personal equation.
Very well said. I do.
Not at all, but we also must insist that this film is not about her and me coming together. The film has much more than that. It's just that we are asked these questions and you answer one out of the 20 questions, but this is the question and the answer which is highlighted. We worked very hard on this film, so please give that dignity and please watch the film for that. It has nothing to do with what our past was, what our equation is. I love working with her. I hope I can work with her very soon. And that's pretty much it.
Okay, I believe Ranbir and Deepika are like question magnets.